everybody, and welcome to today's video. We're unboxing my paid for Boxycharm base box for January. I've got some thoughts on this box because I got the email that, sorry, I've got allergy eye like left and right, and here I thought, oh, I'll just put some makeup on and it'll be fine. No. So whatever. Anyways, today I got the email that everybody has apparently been getting, like, unfortunately your item you chose is out of stock. Here's $6. Yeah, so we're gonna talk all about that. We're gonna talk about this box. I am saving the first impression of what's in here for you all. So anyways, this box is just under $32 here in Kentucky. If I'm talking a little funny, I did get my lips done yesterday. So, and I don't want to hear about it, y'all. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. And if you're not down for some fillers, Botox, or whatever, then don't do it. Okay, I don't need to hear about it. So, yeah, she's getting sassy in 2023. Anyways, shout out to my girl Martha over at The Good Candle. Code HOTMESS is going to save you 15% over at The Good Candle, and all of her holiday items are like literally discounted, and you can stack my coupon. It's amazing and I love it. And for those of you, I have had some of you guys asking which ones I get for fillers. It is Juvederm, I think it's called Deluxe. There's two different kinds, and she just does one thingy of it, and that's it. But they're still swollen, so this is not what they're gonna end up looking like, but I wouldn't be mad if they did, but they're not. So anyhow, anyways, back to the base box. This is just under $32, and you do get to customize one item in the box. Now with that said, I went completely like not my usual with eyeshadow palettes, because that was the choice, or it was the ABH like brow gel, and I went with like the shade taupe or something. So my assumption is, since they were out of taupe, maybe they just gave me a darker shade. My box is wet. It was pouring yesterday, and so yeah, I mean, you can see the little water damage through here. So luckily there's foam in here. That's wet. All right, so here's our card, and on the other side is everything in the card. This is So Fresh and So Clean themed, and the first item in here, that's so weird. Okay, so like I told you guys, I chose the ABH brow gel. Maybe it's because I went with taupe, and I think you're only, hold on, my kid's texting me. I don't even know what I was saying, but my kiddo starts texting, and I'm like, okay, anyways. I'm honestly surprised to be receiving this versus a brow gel. You know, I honestly thought that they would have put like one shade darker or something. Sorry guys, my allergies are acting a fool. Our weather's been crazy again. What's new? You know, what's new with Kentucky? It's like snowy, cold, freezing, warm up, you're in a t-shirt or tank top, then it rains, now it's snowing. We are all over the place here. Like, I legitimately had to go back on my Zyrtec and my Zyrtec spray. Like, how smexy is that? All right, so anywho, I'm not gonna swatch this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a future giveaway for you all, because I did receive this palette in my PR box. And I already did a dedicated unboxing for the PR box, and I'll come back and do like a dedicated video trying everything on. And of course, stay tuned to the end of the month or the beginning of the next month, where I put the boxes head to head. So I don't know, I mean, I think it's a beautiful palette. You all know I love Wonder Beauty's eyeshadows. I think that they're really slip on, especially if you have mature lids. It does have a $42 retail value, so you've already technically made your money back. This is an exclusive drop, so I don't even know if you'll be able to find this particular palette over at Wonder Beauty's site. And like I always tell you guys, when it comes to Wonder Beauty shadows, they have hyaluronic acid in them, and it just, I think that's what it was, and it just makes for a beautiful, like, smooth type of look when you are creating an eye look. So I like it personally. I think it's really pretty. I love this shade right here. So like I said, I will be back creating a whole look with that. All right, next in here we've got the Rubula, I think is how you say it. It's an adaptogen clarity apuli with sea lavender and ginseng from Earth Harbor. And this is another brand, honestly, I feel like for years, like let's talk 20 2018, 2019, 2020, it was like every subscription box had Wonder Beauty in it, and people like really pooed on everything for that. And I feel like nowadays Wonder Beauty's kind of chilled out in the subscription world, and Earth Harbor has taken over, in my personal opinion. So this has a $46 retail value, and it says it's the answer to finding peaceful energy and a light within your skin. Both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. Formula is specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Okay, I definitely won't be using this because I feel like either my teens would benefit from this or somebody else. I kind of have that under control, like with what I'm using right now. So if it ain't broke, we ain't gonna change it, fix it, whatever. Hold on, my kiddo is texting again. Oh, I love you more. No, I love you more. You guys ever have that argument? My kids are like, I love you. I'm like, I love you more. My son's like, okay, mom, this isn't a competition. I love you more. And it becomes a competition. With everything is a competition with us when it comes to stuff like that. So now my 16-year-old is like, I said, okay, they said hugs, I love you. I said, I love you. And they're like, I love you more. I'm like, no, I love you more. They're like, okay. Oh my Lord, my allergies. I'm so sorry for the sniffling, y'all. All right, next in here is a Lovecraft Beauty. This is like almost dang near like what my PR box was. All right, so this is a Lovecraft Beauty, and I'm not going to swatch this one. I'm going to put this one directly into my giveaways because I received this color in my PR box. And I can tell you all, initially I opened it and I was like, meh, wine, wine, wine. Then I touched it, and then I was like, oh my God, this is beautiful. And it matches this palette perfectly. It is super comfortable. It's like a cream product. Now here's the thing, this product you can use not only on your eyes, on your cheeks, you could use it on your lips as well. And this is a new launch as well to I guess not only Boxycharm but maybe to Lovecraft Beauty, and it's called the Plasma Gloss. It is literally an all over iridescent type of bronze, and it does have a retail value of $18. You get a good amount in here. Just stay tuned to the dedicated video, a try on, because I will be using that as well. Next in here, we've got the Persona Cosmetics. I'm cracking up. This is literally the exact same, so far, items that I have received in my PR box, which is a good thing, because a lot of people are like, PR boxes are always better than the paid for. Well, no, my friend. I mean, this is awesome. So, this is by Persona Cosmetics. This is the shade Manifest, and the shade is so pretty. Again, I'm not going to swatch it. Don't be scared of this color. I swatched it in my PR box, and it's like a balm type of consistency, so it's kind of more on the lightweight side of stuff, and it has a retail value of $22, exactly like the PR. I'm not going to open this. This will go into a giveaway. This is an 18-hour liquid eyeliner, and it has a $20 retail value. It is a matte black, highly pigmented liquid eyeliner. So I personally, the only liners that I ever use are like under my eyes, and I've probably already watered them out of my eyes. But Haley loves these, and I know some of y'all do too, so you'll see it in a giveaway potentially. All right, here we go. All right, so the next item in here is by OFRA Cosmetics, and I love this. I think I actually already owned this though, because I think it came in a PR box. So this is the Signature Palette. Yes, I love this palette. The shades in here are absolutely stunning. So of course you guys are going to see this in a future giveaway because I already own it. But I love this palette. It is so pretty. You all know I love the OFRA Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. So this palette does have a retail value of... I am cracking up. It's not on my thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So I guess they threw this in extra because they didn't have my choice item. Yeah. Well, that's not. Y'all didn't tell me they were doing that. Okay, so my actual box was literally darn near. The only difference was the Earth Harbor. Everything else was stuff that I'd received in PR box, but I guess they threw in an additional item because they didn't have my original choice. None of y'all told me they were throwing stuff in. Like, honestly, I don't mind that that's a repeat because I didn't own it until I had received it in like a PR box, or maybe I'd gotten it from OFRA. But anyways, I do like that. Okay, so that's my first time ever experiencing where they were out of my choice, and I got a credit and I got a product. That I did not know they were doing. Okay, and here's another thing. I'm so glad that they used foam and not just this in my box, because none of my products came wet at all. So good job on packaging, Boxy. I do appreciate that. So here's my thought. Let me first off give you a total. I want to say these are like around a $30 mark, maybe closer to 40. Code Hotmess will save you 20% over at OFRA. Let me go ahead and tally the total for everything in here right quick for y'all. Okay, so my total did come to $148. Oh, there we go, $148 for everything in this box, minus this. So this would be an additional like $30, whatever. Which would make it closer to like $178. But just over these 5 items, okay, this was a darn good box in my opinion. Okay, so like I told y'all, it was paid for by me. This was not set in PR, and the only reason that I'm not going to be using the products is because I already received them in PR. So it doesn't matter. Keep this in mind, when you receive PR, you're not making choices. They don't know if you are a paying customer as well. They don't compare. It's just you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. And this being my paid for box, these were good items. The only reason I'm not using this is because I think my teenagers would benefit from this, and Haley is a wing queen, so, and I'm not. I'm really proud of you, Boxycharm. Like, yes, you sold out of my brow gel, but it's okay. I've been using my Blink Black, or my Blink Black primer is what I was getting ready to say. My Blink Brow Mousse in taupe. So technically I already had that. And then I pair it with my Don't Play Brow Gel from OFRA and my C Color Cosmetics. So honestly, I was good. I did not know that that's how they were rolling with it. I honestly thought they were just giving you a $6 credit and calling it a day. I didn't know you were actually getting 6 products in your box. So with that, I do appreciate that. I definitely like that. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below. What did you think if you got this particular variation? I think it's a good variation. And it's gonna be, honestly, it's gonna be tough putting it up against my PR one, but I'm gonna do it. And I'm also gonna be doing a get ready with me with the products in here as well. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned. If it's not already up, it's coming. The whole sneaky peekies for Boxycharm and Ipsy, because I know you guys have been asking that, so that may already be available on the channel. A huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. We are growing, and thank you all so much for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and it does not go unnoticed. I definitely do appreciate each and every single one of you all. Definitely make sure to check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do some curvy girl fashion hauls, where I actually, this is a set from Shein Curve, y'all, and I freaking love it. I call it a Skims dupe for the Skims sweater line. Super affordable, super cute. I love it. Perfect lounge set. I also have another channel, a Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where I do some cooking for my family because I got to feed those mother truckers. So I do that. But I am going to be starting a new series that a bunch of my friends over on my vlog channel was asking me to do, and we're going to talk about like inflammation. So definitely head over to Hot Mess in the Kitchen because we're going to start a new series over there. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!